Today I'm going to show you how to apply filters and color grading in CapCut. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to apply some filters and some color grading here. So let us just select the video clip. And what we want to do on the top left over here, you will see a few different options. So we have filters. This will allow you to adjust the color, the look, the feel, and the tone of your video clip. As you can see, each one of them has a different tone to them. They also have little names, so it can sort of give you an idea of what it will look like on your clip. Now, if you're going in over here and let's say perhaps we want to use this one, you're going to have to click on the download button. And here, if you click on the plus icon, this will now be above. Okay, and these are the two frames side by side that is different. Now, if you click on that filter that you've just added on the right hand side, you can actually adjust the intensity of it. Okay, so you can actually see this is what it looks like. Okay, you can also go ahead, some of them it'll work, some of them it won't. You can click down and you can put it on the actual clip. Okay, so the reason for this, and you can see just up above over here it says filters. This over here will now only affect this specific video clip. But let's say perhaps you have two video clips like this, and you have your filter that you want to add on here. Let's use the black and white filter. So we've added it here. You will now see that this video clip is in black and white, and if I turn this one off, this one is also in black and white. Now let's say I only want one of these clips in black and white, or to take whatever effect you want to add on, click down, drag it, and put it only on the one that you would like. So currently this is in black and white. It's got the filter that we've added, and if I turn it off, you'll now be able to view this this clip over here, and this clip does not have that filter because the filter has been embedded into the clip. Now, if you want to just do some manual adjustments, you can select your clip, go over to the right hand side. You'll see there's a little arrow here. Look for adjustment. Here you can add here your color grade. We've got LUTs that we can add, which I've uploaded myself, and you can choose whichever one you would like. Let's say perhaps this one. You can come down here. You can also go ahead and you can do all of this manually. So let's say you want to change the temperature, saturation, you want to change the contrast, you want to change anything else here, including the sharpness. Maybe you want to add some particles, maybe you want to add a vignette. Any which way you go about it. There are also other ways of going here and using the HSL. This is color grading by color. So let's say you want to move just the particular colors over here, so maybe red, orange, yellow, your whatever colors, and then you can adjust the tint, the saturation, and then also the lightness and darkness, of course. And you can also use the curve. This is a little bit more advanced. We've got a color wheel as well, quite advanced. And then we've got a mask, which you can literally just, let's say we want to add a mask. Let's say we want to add this mask over here, and we want to put this in total color, and we want to keep the rest of it black and white. So let's just say yes, mask 1, and here you can actually change what it looks like. So there we go. There are your filters as well as your manual color grading or your color adjustment.